Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a couple wallpaper, like a couple's Valentine's wallpaper on Photoshop. So I'm just going to add this photo and I'm just going to go to filter and I'm going to select the liquify button here, like so. And then I'm just going to kind of mix them together. Let me just make the brush a little bit bigger so it's a little bit faster. It's going to look weird at first, but you're just going to keep kind of like mixing it together and you'll be able to see the vision. Also, don't like be scared if it's messy because we're going to clean it up later. We're just gonna do that. Maybe up the pressure a little bit. We need some of that. Okay, I think this looks good enough. And I'm just going to press OK. Then you're going to select this tool here. And we're just going to press Shift on our keyboard so that the rounded shape is like even. I'm just going to copy and paste that. And then on this one, I'm just going to press Remove. Then I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger like that. And then press Control on your keyboard and select it again. Get the brush tool, and then I'm just going to make some shadows here, making sure that the edges are lighter than the rest. Let me just adjust it a little bit, making it a little bit bigger. And then here I'm gonna make it smaller for the edges so it's like more shadowed around here. And then I'll just make it a little bit bigger and then I'll layer more here. For the highlights, I'm just going to add in like a white brush on top. I'm just going to make the opacity a little bit smaller. Need a bigger brush. And then here I'm just going to do just like the edges again for the highlights. Like that. And that's pretty much it. You have this now planet wallpaper customized to your liking. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.